So after day 1 spent while at Kasoli, we are now moving towards Simla. It's showing 45 kilometer. So finally we reached our hotel and moving inside the hotel. So you can see the beautiful flowers, and this is the main reception area. And so we are moving towards our room, which is on the second floor. So now I'm entering in my room. Is the key area, and in the left side the washroom area with all hair dryer facilities, and you can see the usual stuff in the washroom. Now moving outward, inside my room there is a large LED TV with king size bed and a beautiful painting. So as usual, you can see the sitting arrangement. On the left side, 2 chairs with 1 table, and you can see the usual stuff of tea and coffee making. Now I am showing the main highlight of our room. You can see the green valley with beautiful trees, and you can see the Mall Road area and a large parking area. Nearby it's bus stand area and the toy train area. Now I am showing the tallest Sri Hanumanji temple in the world as written in the Wikipedia. So it's Jakku temple. It's famous for the Sera celebration every year. So now I am showing some of the beautiful view from my room. So we reached at around 3 p.m. So we moved to food corner, which is on the top floor of this hotel, and I am showing the valley view. Standing in the food corner area, you can see the beautiful seating arrangement of the chairs with luxury while taking your dinner and lunch and breakfast mainly. You can see the whole Simla from this place. In the evening we went to Mall Road area. You can see a number of tourists. Now I'm showing the church area. So this church was built in 1857. So it is the second oldest church in North India after St. George Church of Meerut, and you can see it's well maintained by Himachal Pradesh. So you can have a view of Jakku temple, Sri Hanumanji temple from this area also. You can move up through steps, or you can take So this screen is showing the main tourist attraction of the Simla, and on the left side you can see horse riding. So children used to enjoy here. They charge usually 400 or 500 rupees for approximately 1 kilometer in the Mall Road area. Now I am moving towards the main area of this place. It is the sunset point. So please visit this point if you are moving towards Mall Road in the evening time. So now you can see number of tourists experimenting their different phones or DSLR to take the most beautiful picture from this place. That is the sunset point. So now I am showing the view of sunset. It's around 7:30 in the evening. Now you can see the beautiful sunset from this place. So this lasts for 4 or 5 minutes usually. So after that we had moved toward the main market area, and you can see the beautiful Indian tricolor flag which is present in the main mall road area in between. And on the right side you can see the ridge area, and Indira Gandhi Medical College is approximately 4 kilometers from this mall road area, which accommodate both MBBS and postgraduate MD/MS seats. So you can visit this medical college also if you have some interest in medical science. So now I am moving towards the ridge area. So through this ridge area or lift area you can come to your hotel. After that we reach our hotel, and you can see the beautiful sand layer in our hotel entrance. And now I am moving towards the play zone. You can have number of play area here, but due to COVID restriction only this snooker zone is open, so we had enjoyed a lot. So you can see the evening view from our room, and we had taken a lot of pics from this area. So you can see the beautiful life and the whole Simla from this place. Thank you for watching.